What do you get when you combine a corporate cubicle escape plan, a knack for creating wildly successful digital courses, and a commitment to doing the uncomfortable things? You get Amy Porterfield. She's the digital course queen, a systems genius, and a master at staying true to her vision. Amy didn't just leave the 9 to 5 grind, she transformed her life and the lives of thousands by building a multi-million-dollar empire. No fairy godmother, no magic wand, just grit, grace, and a whole lot of unicorn energy. There's so much we can learn from Amy's story about focus, leadership, and how building your unicorn team is the ultimate game changer. Hey there, I am Jen Kem, author of Unicorn Team and founder of the Masterbrand Institute. My mission is to help entrepreneurs build businesses that not only make money, but also align with their values and allow them to live fully. I've had the privilege of knowing Amy Porterfield for years, and let me tell you, her story is one that inspires me every single time. She's proof that you don't need to have everything figured out to start. You just need to take that first brave step. So, fun fact, Amy used to work on marketing campaigns for Tony Robbins. Yes, that Tony Robbins, the giant of personal development. One day, during yet another meeting, she had an epiphany. Why am I helping build someone else's dream when I could be building my own? So she took the leap. Now, let's be real. Leaving a stable job is about as comfortable as wearing jeans after Thanksgiving dinner. But Amy did it anyway. She swapped boardrooms for Zoom rooms and started from scratch, armed with her expertise and a burning desire to make an impact. And that's a unicorn move. Having the courage to follow your own path, even when it's paved with uncertainties. One of the reasons Amy's story resonates so deeply is her focus. And I don't mean, I'll just multitask my way to success kind of focus. I mean, laser sharp, lock it down focus. In a world where we're told to hustle harder and juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle, Amy's approach is refreshingly sane. She's mastered one thing before moving on to the next. In my unicorn team model, we call this balancing BAU versus new. BAU is business as usual and new initiatives. Amy nailed her BAU before sprinkling in the new, ensuring her foundations were rock solid. And the lesson here, depth over breadth wins the race. You don't have to do it all at once. Instead, focus on doing one thing really well and then build from there. Amy knew from the start that she couldn't do it alone. She didn't just need helpers. She needed a unicorn team. That's a team of people who are not only skilled, but also deeply aligned with her vision. In the unicorn team model, Amy plays the role of the visionary unicorn. She sets the vision and drives the business forward. But she surrounds herself with mobilizers, people who execute her vision with precision, and strategizers who bring fresh ideas and solve problems before they even arise. They're not just working for her, they're working with her to amplify her message and extend her reach. They allowed her to focus on what she does really best, creating killer content and connecting with her audience. Remember, a unicorn team isn't about cloning yourself, it's about complementing yourself. Now, let's not paint this as a fairy tale where Amy waved a magic wand and poof, success. There were late nights, tech glitches, and launches that didn't go as planned. She faced imposter syndrome, that pesky voice that whispers, "Who are you to do this?" But here's what I admire most about Amy. She didn't let these hurdles turn into roadblocks. She saw them as detours, not dead ends. She stayed focused on her vision and leaned on her team. Amy embraced the discomfort, learned from her missteps, and kept moving forward. With each challenge, she gained wisdom and probably a funny story to tell over wine. Amy Porterfield is living proof that success isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things with the right people. She's a testament to what's possible when you combine heart, strategy, and a team that works with you. And here's the kicker, you can do it too. In my book, Unicorn Team, the 9 leadership types you need to launch your big ideas with speed and success, I dive deep into how you can build your own dream team, lead with purpose, and create a business that doesn't just pay the bills, but fills your soul. If you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start building your unicorn empire, click the link below to grab your copy. Until next time, keep leading, keep growing, and keep showing up for the life that you deserve. You've got this.